Mastering the art of understanding TOEFL and IELTS writing tasks. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into understanding the writing task requirements for both TOEFL and IELTS exams. Knowing what's expected of you is half the battle, and with the right strategies, you can optimize your writing approach and score high. Every exam has its unique format and requirements. TOEFL and IELTS are no exceptions. By understanding the requirements, you 1. Avoid unnecessary mistakes. Not following instructions can lead to lost marks, even if your English is impeccable. 2. Plan effectively. Once you understand what's required, you can map out your response more strategically. 3. Save time. No need to second-guess yourself or restructure your answer halfway through because you missed a key instruction. TOEFL writing consists of 2 tasks. 1. Integrated writing task. Here, you'll read a passage, listen to a lecture, and then write a response comparing the 2 sources. 2. Key point. Focus on drawing connections between the reading and listening tasks. Don't just summarize, analyze. 3. Independent writing task. This task gives you a prompt, usually a question or a statement about a topic, and you're required to express and support your opinion on it. 4. Key point. Organize your essay with a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Provide strong evidence to support your claims. IELTS writing also consists of 2 tasks. 1. Task 1. Academic, general. 2. Academic. You'll describe a visual representation of data, graph, table, chart, or diagram. 3. Key point. Focus on key trends and significant information. Avoid personal opinions. 4. General. Write a letter based on a given situation. 5. Key point. Follow the letter format strictly and address all points mentioned in the prompt. 6. Task 2. Both academic and general. Similar to TOEFL's independent task, you'll write an essay in response to a prompt. 7. Key point. Understand the type of essay required, opinion, discussion, solution, etc., and structure accordingly. 1. Read prompt carefully. Before jumping into writing, spend a minute or 2 reading and rereading the prompt. 2. Highlight keywords. Note down action words, e.g., compare, discuss, describe, and topic-related words. 3. Plan your answer. Outline your thoughts before writing. This ensures that you address all aspects of the prompt. 4. Stay on topic. Avoid deviating from the main point. Every sentence should contribute to your overall response. 5. Practice. The more writing tasks you practice, the better you'll become at quickly grasping what's required. Mastering the writing tasks in TOEFL and IELTS is all about preparation and understanding. Now that you have a clear roadmap on how to approach these tasks, it's time to put it into practice. Remember, every word you write should serve a purpose. Best of luck, and happy writing!